Our bodies undergo many changes as we age, including how we process and tolerate different foods. Some vegetables that seem healthy can actually pose risks for seniors. In this guide, we'll talk about 9 vegetables that older adults should approach with caution. First on our list are sprouts, often celebrated as nutrient-packed superfoods. Sprouts like alfalfa and bean sprouts can harbor harmful bacteria, such as E. coli and salmonella. Consuming raw sprouts can result in severe foodborne illnesses for seniors whose immune systems may not be as robust. A safer alternative is cooked greens like spinach or kale, which provide similar nutrients without the risk of contamination. Next up are raw leafy greens, particularly those that aren't thoroughly washed. Vegetables like lettuce and spinach are often a breeding ground for bacteria, if not cleaned properly. For older adults, cooking versions of these greens can be a better choice. Cooking not only eliminates potential pathogens, but also makes it easier for the body to absorb their nutrients, offering a double benefit. Now, let's talk about nightshade vegetables, including tomatoes, potatoes, and eggplants. These are generally nutritious, but for some seniors, they may pose a problem. Nightshades contain alkaloids, which can aggravate joint pain or inflammation in individuals who are sensitive to them. If you notice discomfort after consuming these vegetables, consider limiting your intake. While it's a popular ingredient in salads and soups, celery is treated with pesticides, leaving residues that could be harmful over time. For seniors, especially those with compromised immune systems, it's best to choose organic celery whenever possible. Alternatively, you can enjoy other crunchy options like bell peppers or carrots. Garlic and onions, though staples in many cuisines, can sometimes cause digestive discomfort for seniors. Their high fructan content can lead to bloating and gas, which may make meals less enjoyable. If you've noticed these symptoms, reducing your intake of these aromatic vegetables might help ease digestion, while still allowing you to enjoy flavorful dishes. Spinach makes our list again, but this time in its raw form. While spinach is loaded with nutrients, eating it raw can be problematic for some. This is because spinach contains oxalates, which can interfere with calcium absorption and contribute to kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Cooking spinach significantly lowers its oxalate levels, which allows you to reap its nutritional benefits without the associated risks. Uncooked beans and legumes, like green beans or kidney beans, are next. Raw or undercooked beans contain lectins, compounds that can be toxic in large amounts. For seniors, it's important to ensure that beans are thoroughly cooked before eating. This process neutralizes lectins and makes these foods safe and highly nutritious. Frozen vegetables are a convenient choice, but watch out for those with added sauces. These sauces can be loaded with sodium and preservatives, which aren't ideal for seniors trying to manage their blood pressure or overall health. When shopping, look for plain frozen vegetables instead. They're just as nutritious and allow you to season them to your liking without unnecessary additives. Lastly, we have raw cruciferous vegetables like cabbage and broccoli. While these are excellent sources of vitamins, their high fiber content can cause digestive issues when eaten raw, especially for seniors. Cooking these vegetables not only makes them easier to digest, but also enhances their flavor, making them a win-win addition to your meals. And there you have it, 9 vegetables that seniors should consider modifying or avoiding for better health. Everyone's needs are different, so check with your doctor or nutritionist before making big diet changes. A balanced diet is essential to staying healthy.